Okie dokie. I'm going to show off my Grainger tool haul. I'm not sure if those are really popular, but I definitely enjoy them. Here's my quarter drive air impact wrench, speedaire. Those were the specs, and this is the first time I'm opening the box. And there she go. Water drive air impact wrench. Okay, put this back in the box. And move this to the side and show off Westward. Speedaire and Westward are a in-house brand of Grainger. Quarter drive impact sockets. Part number. Get deep and shallow. Ain't that cute?